Hello, my lucky leprechauns. This week in math, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to take a break from our math book, and every day we're going to do something to review some skills that you already know, but we just want to review them so they stay fresh and you remember how to do them. So you should have your lucky leprechaun page. We're going to do some together, and then you're going to complete the rest on your own. Okay? So hopefully this should be just a nice review. Some friends are forgetting how to regroup when they subtract, and they subtract from the bottom up rather than the top down. So again, this is a simple review, hopefully for everyone. All right, so we're gonna do a couple together, and then you're gonna get to complete the riddle on your own, okay? All right, let's start. So remember, this is our starting number. We have 6. We can take 4 away. 6 minus 4 is 2, so we did not need to regroup. 4 minus 2 is also 2, and 8 minus 2 is 6. And then, of course, you can check your work and work backwards. 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay? So whatever has number 622 is going to get the letter L. So let's look at the bottom. Zoom in a little bit. 622. Nope. Oh, here's one. Gets the letter L. Here's another one. Here's another one. There we go. Okay. All right, let's do the next problem. There's our starting number 0. Can I take 2 away? No. The problem is not 2 minus 0 is 2. It is 0, take 2 away. So what do we say? I can't take 2 away, so I go next door, get 10 more, and that 0 turns into a 10. I took a 10 stick away. Now I have 10 fingers and I can take 2 away and I get 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2, take 2 away, 0. And 9 minus 4 is 5. 508 gets the letter E. There's one. Here's one. And that's it. Okay. Here's my starting number 3. I can take 1 away, which is 2. Then I go to 4. If I have 4 fingers, I can't take 7 away. It is not 7 minus 4. It is 4, take 7 away. Can't do it. So I go next door, get 10 more. Take 1 away and add it there. 14 minus 7 is 7 because I know 7 plus 7 is 14. And 5 minus 2 is 3. 372 gets the letter O. We're scanning. 372, there it is, just one. Gets the letter O. Okay. There's my starting number 6. I can take 2 away and I get 4. Here's 8. I can take 4 away. That's pretty easy. And you get 4 because 4 plus 4 is 8. And 5 minus 2 is 3. 344 gets the letter S. Super scan 34435. There we go. 344. There's 354. 344 S. 354. 344. Lots of 354s. Wonder what letter that is. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you. Maybe 2. Okay, here's my starting number 1. I can take 0 away, and I get 1. There's my 3. I can't take 8 away, so I go next door, get 10 more. 13 minus 8, so if I have 8, I can count up to 13, and I get 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. Hopefully you should know these facts pretty quickly by now. And 3 minus 1 is 2, right? So 251 gets an H. H, H. All right, W. This one is a little different. Okay, it's a little different. Let's look at it. There's my starting number 8. I can't take 9 away, so I have to go next door and get 10 more. There's nothing there. So what do? I go next door again. Now, do I do my problem yet? No, I'm still at here. I still can't take 9 away from 8. So then I can start over and go next door again. And that turns into 9, and that turns into 18. So you can do it that way with the 0. Or sometimes you could just box that up and turn it into 1 less, which is 49. Be really careful on E. Make sure you get E checked. And Y. Y is just like this. So when you get to Y, look back here and see what we did together, okay? Remember, we had to go next door twice. 18 minus 9 is 9 because 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So 189 gets a W. And I'm not doing any more problems. You've got to do the work. 189. The W. Okay. So now it's your turn. You've got 10 subtraction problems. Be careful on Y. Be careful on E. Remember, you can always check your work by adding the 2 bottom numbers together. Right? You can always check your work by adding the 2 bottom numbers together. And that will let you know if you got the right answer, because it should come up to the top number. If it doesn't, then you've solved it incorrectly. Also, if your answer doesn't fit down here, you got the wrong answer. So that's another way that you can check to make sure you got it right, because you want to solve these problems correctly so you can figure out what the riddle is. Some problems you'll regroup like we did, and some problems you won't, and that's okay. But again, check your answers with mom or dad. They can probably do it really quick on their phone to make sure you got all the right ones. And if what happens down here, if it doesn't make sense, then you messed up somewhere and you got to check your work. Okay? So again, this week, we are just going over some math skills that you already know, but we're just reviewing to keep them fresh. And I hope you enjoy your Lucky Leprechaun page.